Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at how to install Keywords Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere is a powerful SEO research tool. So if you are looking to get better SEO or search engine optimized, you can use this tool. You can use it on Chrome or Firefox. It's basically an extension, and you can look at volume, clicks per cost, and competition data. So you can look at the competition and what you should put for your keywords if you're running a small business and website. So just go to keywordseverywhere.com. If you're on Chrome, which I am, I'm just gonna click install for Chrome. I'm gonna click add to Chrome, then click add extension. Then it should start downloading. And then after you install it, it should show up here. Click on the little jigsaw puzzle icon on the top right. Go to Keywords Everywhere, click on the pin button, and there you have now installed Keywords Everywhere and it's on. This tool, it has a free version which I'm using right now, but if you want to get more data, which is highly recommended for if you're actually looking at SEO, you should buy that. I heard it's like $10 a year. So let's just search how to buy sneakers, and then here it's gonna start showing like the difficulty. So 61, anything above 50 for like small businesses, I would say it's kind of competitive. So this, you wouldn't choose this. The off-page difficulty, and there will be more data like cost per click. So if we're gonna like run ads, how much it would cost on these types of websites or stuff. And it shows you like the popularity. And then you could also do like other searches. That's how you download keywords and start using it. But I would definitely recommend getting the paid version because it gives you lots of valuable information. But thank you for watching.